Hobby Fix Sense, MT5 with no code, Excel and ChatGPT hands-on guide. This time it's video 4. Optimize. Copy to MyRun. EA completed demo account, VPS. So here's the schedule. Optimize. This is difficulty level 2. Initially 1 year's worth of optimization. I was going to take it. It's impossible because of my computer skills. Change to output every month. Optimization result table. Copy to MyRun. Difficulty level 3. This is quite fun. MyRun is a hobby of FX. It can be downloaded from the site. The URL is here. Pitfalls of backtesting. EA complete. Run with demo account, VPS. Let's go. Configure optimization settings. Expert CD. CD14 in a folder called Stock XAUSD M1. Stock XAUSD M1. Date. From October 1st, 2025 until 31 October 2025. Forward test cancelled. Delay is 50 milliseconds. The model is based on Realtic. All ticks. Deposit $640. Leverage 2,000. Optimize. Complete algorithm. Maximum balance. The optimization result table is. This item has the largest balance. Profit. When displaying this balance, from many. Display in order. I will. If this is a drawdown, from those with fewer drawdowns, it means displaying. In that order from the beginning, it means that they will line it up. Balance now. I'll set it to maximum. Next, set the parameters. Click the Parameters tab. What we do here is, about which parameters? Should I optimize it? That is to say, left-sided. The checked item is optimize this time. This is an item to do. First, I will briefly explain from above. This is buy position. Is the value of profit taking. The start is smallest value. And stop is the largest value. The step is the value of that delimiter. With this, minimum 5,000 points. Then add 1,000 to 15,000 points. Next, add another 10,000. 25,000 points, so it doesn't go up to 30,000 points. In this way, 5,000, 15,000. We will divide it by 25,000. I'm trying 3 patterns. Next, the value of A, separated by minus 60 to 30 steps. 4 patterns with stops up to 50. This is done in 4 items. I set it up. Multiply this 333344444. It will be 20736 patterns. I will try this in a month. Then, it takes about 6 hours. Start with this condition. Finished. Now this file once save to desktop. Right-click anywhere. Right-click this screen. Export to XML. Export to XML. Save to desktop with a name. Save to desktop with a name. Garbled but ignore and press X. The file from earlier. Newly made here. Next, download VIDEO4 from the site. VIDEO4 download. Download files. Download files. Open a file. Enable protected view. Now that VIDEO4 has opened, from Files to Anywhere, please save it. Well then, just now, files saved on your desktop. Paste to MyArun. Data paste sheet. Click the tab. It contains previous data. Click on this corner. Delete. Delete the data once. And then, I want to paste. Files. Drag and drop here. Then, brand new. An Excel book is created. This is a different book from MyArun, the file of this created book. Paste to MyArun. Click on the corner. Right-click copy. And MyArun. Data pasting sheet. This corner. Right-click. Paste. Now the pasting is complete. Well then, optimization table. I will explain. The leftmost pass is a combination of parameters was performed. I mean, what pattern is it? Also, the items around here are. In a previous video, it has been explained. Please review it. Set this time. Parameters are here. This parameter, by changing, so this number is going to change. I will explain MyArun. Here, 20,000 or so, 10,000 or so. There is a tab called 5,000. This is for the total number of tables. On what scale? The question is whether to display it. It's fine if you use a place that's easy to see. Graphical. I'll explain how it works. There are many graphs lined up vertically. Since each item cannot be displayed on one screen, synchronize vertically. There are side by side. Next this. The red line is, you are welcome to use it freely. For example, one way to use it is, left-click on this. Move with right arrow and left arrow. How much drawdown is acceptable? If you match this, the drawdown is 44.7%. This is 44.29%. How much drawdown is acceptable? And another red line. For example, profit. Minimum profit. I want this much profit. For example, in 1 month, if it comes down to you, I want 140. It's around here, $140. I want it. If you mean, it's here. Look for parameters in this area. The first parameter is, look at this point. Look at the number of points, not this vertical. 25,000. I'll note this. The following parameters are, there are 25,000. There are also 15,000. So this is if you take the middles. Is it about 20,000? I'll also note this. The third parameter, this can be anywhere. This can be anywhere. This means that it's okay anywhere. 15,000 in the middle is fine. I think 30,000 is fine. The following parameters, where there are many lines on this side, this is about the same. This is also 15,000. I think around 15,000 or 30,000 is fine. Next parameter. Add to the value of A. If you look at this dot on the side, from +0, between about 30, you'd better set it. This parameter is, look at the dot on the side. Most are between 30 and zeros. This parameter is, there are many horizontal dots. It's roughly average. I think you can choose anywhere for this. This is the last parameter. The one on the left side with more sales is, it's around 40 or 10. In this way, myself, acceptable drawdown and of one's own goal, between balances, combination of parameters. Take a note. When you do demo trading later, it means that you enter that parameter. Next, I'll talk about the pitfalls. What is currently displayed is, I used to, of the program I created. This is a table of optimization results. Profits are listed in descending order. It's a profit for 1 year, so it's quite large. Next, we'll look at the drawdown. If you look from above, just one here. The drawdown is accidental. Less, there are combinations of parameters. With this parameter, if you do a backtest, drawdown at 1158, profit becomes 26139. The result is, but if you look at this in Mirun, this is the drawdown, the combination of patterns I was looking at earlier. It is the 5th largest seller. If you look at this graph, it's around here. There's a lump around here where the drawdown is 100%. If you look at Mirun like this, where this parameter is, you can see that it is in the dangerous place of the drawdown clump. In this way, I accidentally discovered in a backtest good backtest results. I thought it was the performance of that program. If you make a real transaction, you will go bankrupt immediately. Let's put safety first. And then there's the second pitfall. The backtest is, no matter how accurately you reproduce, this is historical data. But actually it is operated by, even in demo trading, even if it is a real transaction, data of the future. The program is that the market will move in the same way as in the past, although it is made in anticipation that the market will change. Don't forget. Well then, get CD14 running on VPS. First of all, open only one Zosti on the screen. Display next. Navigator. CD14 in CD folder. Drop this down. Drop this down. The parameters shown here are default settings. Please enter new values yourself. The parameters displayed here are the default settings. Please enter your own new values. Next, VPS. Click the tab that says Now VPS is... It has been stopped, so I will migrate it. Migration was successful. Now VPS is started. Although this is a stop, if this has already started, it's normal. Open the Chart tab. On the top right screen, I can see CD14 running. Here, Denote. Navigator. Now the trial account. In a professional course, this VPA, it is marked with a triangle, so it is working. Of this chart, where transaction history is already included, from November 21st, 2025. It's in operation. VPS has just started, but not taking a position is... Today is the 23rd of November. Because the market is not moving on Sunday. Started with this principle of 640s. What happens to a demo account? In the next video, I will report. Program CD14 was used as teaching material this time. You all worked hard. Compilation errors have been overcome. It's great. CD14 is already yours. You are free to adapt and operate the program. However, please make your own judgment. This time at Mirun, located in a visually safe area. I looked for the parameters. Display parameters numerically more reliably. Yomarun. Creating. Stay tuned. Now this concludes video 4.